Hi and welcome to another Type with me. In today's video I want to talk about the Shared Element Transitions native browser API. So if we go to the Shared Elements Transitions, then you see animated elements between pages by matching their view transition names. And so in the overview page we have a featured card, and it has the view transition name featured card, and on the detail page we have that as well. So the shared element uses the same view transition name to animate between the pages. So I prepared a little demo for this actually, and a page. So this demo shows what shared element transitions are, how view transition name links elements, and how document.startViewTransition works. A safe fallback if the API is not supporting. It's essentially framework free, so actually it's pretty cool, right? And that's actually also where we are heading, I think, with the browser. You can do really cool stuff. So here we have a grid, and then we have a card, right, within CSS. And if we scroll down here, you have your details, and here these pseudo elements allow us to customize how shared element animate. So what we have here is we have a view transition old and a view transition new. Our animation duration is 350 milliseconds, and we have our animation time function, which is ease. And then we have here our page with our header and our main, right? And if we click from one to another, we have here two items which are our cards, right? Here we have our modern web, and here we have our shared elements. And then if we go to our render list, then here we see we have our info box, we have our overview page, and then we have our grid with our cards. And in our grid with our cards, we have our style, view, transition name, image dash item ID, and here we have our view transition name, title, item ID. And if we go down here to render the details, then you will see here that we have the same thing. We have your detail page with our detail. We have an image, a name, and then the item ID, and then we have here our title and the item ID, and we have our title itself. And here is where the magic happens. Start view transition takes a snapshot of the current DOM, runs your DOM update, and animates between old and new states. If supported, we gracefully fall back. So we check if it's supported. Otherwise, we just do update DOM. If it's supported, we just call that, and we do the update DOM after the transition happens. And then here, we delegate for clicks. So if we click on a card, well, then we start the transition, right? And we render the detail with the correct ID, which does the trick, right? So again, here we render the list with all our cards, and here we render the details when we have our ID. So how does this look like within the browser? So here we have our beautiful page, right? We see here modern web, click on it, and ta-da, we go to the detail page, which is great, right? And then here we see some details, modern web, and we can go back, and we can click here, and we can go down, and then here we click on it, and we can go back. And actually it's really cool because here I click on it, ta-da, I see the detail page, right? And if I click on back, here I get that other page, and it really looks amazing because you are actually giving a lot of cards there, and then you zoom in and you get the details, and so it gives you some kind of a, yeah, I get the items, I can zoom deeper into it and get the details. So from a UI UX perspective, this is really gold. I really like this. So I hope you also like it. I hope you indeed also gonna dive deeper into it and are also convinced together with me that frameworks to really need them, and maybe we can just go for lightweight frameworks just with a very easy router and then nice beautiful transitions like we have right here. Go back here and go back here and then here and then go back. So to recap a little bit, the browser compares elements with the same view transition name and animates them. And so that's the reason why you can very easily, if you click on this one, animate them, make it bigger. And if we click here on back, you see it zooms in, it goes, and it makes it bigger. So in my opinion, really, really nice. Really, really nice. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.